Hi, I'm Paweł Spechalski, and this video will be a proof that when I said that 7-inch Catalyst Machineworks BangGOD is, well, not the good frame for the freestyle application, and there indeed was something wrong with this frame. Because what I did, I took the components from my 7-inch BangGOD, put all the components, the same components without tuning anything, to the Alfa Monster 7-inch I had somewhere still in one of my drawers, and took it to the spin today. And you know what? Wow, this thing looks well. This thing flies just great. Amazing, really fantastic performance. So let me just quickly change the angle of the camera. Basically, you can see how the $30 7-inch frame looks like. Nothing really special. The only big and kinda new for me thing is those motors, which are Xinx 2806.5 1800 kV running on 4S, and besides that, nothing special. Theco 32 ESCs, Matek F722 SE, and the Foxeer Predator camera I have right now, which I'm testing right now, and maybe there will be a separate video about the Foxeer Predator V5. And basically exactly the same components as I had in the 7-inch Catalyst Machineworks BangGOD. And you know what? This thing flies just wow. And when I say wow, I really have to say that wow, this thing's well, amazing flight experience. I forgot how nimble, relatively light for the size, and actually quite resistant to any kind of the vibrations the 7-inch Alfa Monster frame is. Love it, love it, love it. When this setup with those propellers and those motors on the Catalyst Machineworks BangGOD was resonating at high throttle, something you could hear, you could feel that something is bloody wrong vibrating. Putting exactly the same setup into this frame make this thing fly much better. So right now there is somewhere the HD footage from the flight, and I really did forgot how well the 7-inch Alfa Monster flies. Really, and the best freestyle 7-inch frame out there, relatively cheap, no, not relatively cheap, crazy cheap frame, $30, maybe 30 something bucks, and it flies much better than 4 times more expensive BangGOD. And it's light, it's nimble, it's fast, and super. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.